Hey guys, welcome to the video. Bruce T here, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. To my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support, and it really motivates me to make these videos for you guys, and I hope that you find them useful or at least entertaining. That's my goal. I have a lot of fun making these things, and it's a lot of fun, so keep subscribing and keep liking and commenting, and I appreciate it. In today's video, I have this Givi tool bag that I'm going to put on the underside of this top box here. So I'm going to unwrap this. I'll give you my initial thoughts on it and tell you how I feel about it. And then I'm going to see if my tools actually fit in there that I want to carry with me. When you're on a motorcycle, you know, the basic tools that BMW gives you is sometimes not enough. You're going to want additional tools so you can, you know, handle roadside emergencies or take care of anything that might come up. Or you just might want to help out a fellow biker. Either way, I'm going to give you my thoughts on this and tell you if it's useful or worth it, or tell you if it's a complete, total piece of garbage. But anyways, let's unwrap it and see how it looks. Alright, so initially unpacking it, it seems that it's good quality. It's got some type of rubberized material on the bottom to protect it from road debris that might come up. And you zipper it open, and it's kind of tight inside. It's a little small, and it's got some instructions here. Let's see what these say. Alright, so one thing I noticed is that there's only one strap to hold this on. I hope that's enough to hold it in place under there. We'll see in a minute when I put it on. Otherwise, it looks like a decent product. It should be useful for a few things that I can keep on my bike at all times, and maybe a tire patch kit or some tie wraps. And I got an Oxford tool kit too that I might keep on the bike. So let's cut this off and we'll get to the installation. Okay, before I install this, I just want to tell you guys a little story. I live in Germany, and I currently have a US mailing address which gets forwarded to Germany. So I bought this Givi tool bag off of eBay, and it was located in Germany. So I selected my APO address, which ships it to me in Germany, and the tracking on this had it go to Frankfurt Airport, and then it flew to Jersey City, New Jersey. They sent it over to Trenton, New Jersey, and then they sent it back to Jersey City, New Jersey, and then they forwarded it to Chicago, which then came back here to Germany to go to my mailbox. So I thought that was kind of funny that it goes through all these loops to get to me from Germany when they just could have shipped it probably from Germany to the post office here and get it shipped to me. But either way, I have it here and I'm going to install it and we'll see how it goes. First thing I'm going to do is take this top box off so we can have better access to the top of the strap where this goes. Alright, I got my top box off. Now let's see how this is going to fit in here. Alright, so test fitting it looks like it fits in here pretty well, and it looks like it just goes over these two bars and then straps back on. So I'm going to undo it and put it back in and see how it goes. Alright, I got the straps routed, and it actually looks like it fits pretty well, so all you have to do is Velcro it on. It's actually pretty easy. So you just put this through here, and you want to tighten it pretty good. Alright, that was pretty simple to do. As you can see, you just route this strap over this bar and then Velcro it on here, and then I can put my top box back on. So let's put some stuff in here and see how it works. Alright, so this is my Oxford toolkit, and this is what I mainly wanted to put in here. It's got 2 sets of pliers, cutters and pliers. It's got some Allen wrenches if you need them, some screwdrivers. some sockets, and a couple screwdrivers. So this is good for roadside emergencies, and I hope it fits in this little bag. We'll see. Alright, it was a little bit of a struggle, but I was able to get the tool bag inside. Now I have to see if it'll zip up. It's a very tight fit, and it does seem to put a little pressure on your tail light, but I'm not really worried about that because it's really not, you know, the tail light has a little bit of give. But let's see if I can zip it up. Okay, after a short struggle I was able to get it zipped up, and it seems like it's holding, so it'll be a good place to keep my tools. I won't be using these all the time, and it'll be only for an emergency use only type thing. So if I need to grab them out, I can unzip it and get these out. It's a little bit of a struggle. I'm also going to put some zip ties in there in case I need those, and maybe I can fit some tire plugs in there. It's a little tight, but I think it'll work for now. Okay, I got the small bundle of zip ties I'm going to keep on the bike in case I need to zip tie anything. They always come in handy, and you never have enough of them. I got 8 of them here. I'm going to put them inside, and hopefully I'll never have to use them, but I'll know that they'll be there just in case. Okay, I was able to squeeze some zip ties in there. Let's see if there's anything else I can squeeze in here and still get it to close. Okay, I got these tire plugs that I'm going to try to squeeze in there. It's always good to have these on board. If you ever get a flat on the motorcycle, you can plug it in a pinch and see if you can find a compressor to pump it back up. I'm going to throw this in there. The tool won't fit in this bag, but I do have this kit from Tire Slime, and I can definitely fit this in my top box and keep it with me for if ever there's an emergency. So I'll just keep these extra plugs in there just in case. It's a good thing to have on board. Alright, so that's about all I can fit in that bag. I'm a little disappointed at the size of the bag. It's a little smaller than I had hoped, but it is nice that it tucks up under there and stays out of the way. So overall, I think it might be a good product, but if you want to put more stuff in there, definitely not the one you're looking for. Maybe those metal ones that go inside of your panniers are a better one. Okay, the last thing I got to do is put the top box back on and see how it fits. So we'll put the top box on and we'll see if there's any resistance from this new edition of the tool bag underneath. Alright, so the top box went back on. It doesn't seem there's any obstruction. It seems to not interfere, and it's tucked up under there. I do like the placement of the tool bag. I just wish it was just a little bit bigger and maybe had a little bit more storage. But overall, it's not a bad product for the $40 I paid. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos on the 1250 GSA, I have more planned for the future. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!